guys, how are all of you? Hope so you all are fine and good. Are you ready for today's lesson? Before watching the video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like this video. Today is very interesting game for kids. Pizza fraction. Interesting na? Pizza fractions. You are sharing a whole pizza with a friend. How do you slice the pizza? Everyone gets equal serving. Right answer is this. You are at a party with three other people. How is the pizza sliced? So everyone has the same size. Right answer is this. If I wanted to share a pizza with two friends, how would I slice the pizza so everyone has an equal share? Right answer is this. There is a party with six people. How should be pizza be sliced so everyone has an equal share? What is the right answer? Right answer is this. If I slice a pizza into two equal pieces, I am slicing the pizza into halves or thirds. What is the right answer? Right answer is this. If I slice a pizza into five equal pieces, I am slicing the pizza into fourths or fifths. What is the right answer? Fifths. Great job. Do you like this video? That's good. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. See you soon with new video.